Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down, one as far as I could, to where it bent in the underwood. Once the poet was walking down a road, and then there was a diversion. There were two different paths, and he had to choose one out of them. The poet says that as he was one person, he could travel on one road only. He was able to see the path till from where it curved, after which it was covered with trees and was hidden. It happens in our life also. When we have choices, we have alternatives, but we have to choose only one out of them, whether it is suitable for us or not. We take a decision on what path we should choose. Then took the other, just as fair, and having perhaps the better climb, because it was grassy and wanted well. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. He felt that both paths were equally good, and started walking on one of them, as it had grass on it, which means that it was unused. Not many people had walked on this path earlier. That is why this path was grassy. After he walked on the path for some distance, he realized that both the paths had been worn out of the same way. Even in our life, we take any path or any option, but all of them have the same benefits, disadvantages, problems, challenges, and we must face them. We think that we are choosing a better option, but it is not that way. And both that morning equally lay. In leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet, knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Both the, both the paths had leaves on them, and no one had stepped on them, as they were still green in color. He decided that that day he would take one path and keep the other path for another day, although he knew that one way leads on to another way. He knew that he could not go back on the choice that he had made. Similarly, even in our life, once we choose an option, we must keep on moving ahead with that option, and we never get a chance to come back and take the other option that we had left earlier. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. He says that in the future, he will take a deep breath and say that once upon a time, he had reached such a point in life that there were two options for him, and he travelled on that road which had been travelled upon by lesser number of people. That decision decided his future. Similarly, in future, when you grow up, then you will say that once upon a time, when you were young, you had two options. The choice that you made, what you became of it. Your future depends on the choice that you make today.